Court is calling 2024 CR 067462W, State of Texas versus Jennifer Wilbur. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Christopher Ramos for the defense.
And are you Miss Wilbur?
Yes.
All right, Miss Wilbur, did you review the document entitled Waiver of Indictment, Reading of Information and Rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you understand that by entering this plea bargain agreement, you are waiving the right to have a grand jury hear the facts in this case and make a decision on whether or not to hold you over for indictment?
Yes.
I'm sorry, hold you over for trial. Did you understand you're also waiving certain rights that your attorney has, namely 2 days from the presentation of the information and 10 days from the presentation of the information to prepare for trial?
Yes.
Did you understand that by entering this plea bargain agreement, you are giving up those rights that I've explained to you? And counsel, did you explain this document to your client?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Wilbur, did you sign this document?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information, and rights under Article 1.05 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you review the information with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the information?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the information as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you understand by information you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. That's a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to.
This is a massive moment. Jennifer is surrendering her constitutional rights in real time. No jury, no trial, just the hope that this deal is better than prison. Would you take a deal like this under pressure? Let us know in the comments.
Withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you are giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? And did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
She is, and she was.
Ms. Wilbur, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine to be probated. State is recommending deferred adjudication. This is to run concurrent with 716927. They will take in consideration 723334. There's to be restitution of
$5,139 in restitution. That's no small sum. And remember, Jennifer's already in debt. This plea isn't just about freedom. It's about a financial weight that could follow her for years. But here's the kicker. This might actually be her best case scenario.
$139.17 and cause number 72334 to Teresa Shields. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense is at the plea.
Yes, ma'am.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, ma'am.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged in the information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
No objection.
All right. Did you review the document? State, you may be excused. Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. Right. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, ma'am. I can offer that my client earlier this year, she participated in the Pay It Forward program at the Hope Residential Center. She began that program in February 2024. She was released from that program and completed it in the spring. That's when I met her. Around that time, I received information from lifetime recovery counselor, Ms. Kelly. She provided information to me and she described Ms. Wilbur as having a better understanding of what substance abuse is and how it's disrupted her life. Ms. Weber is currently also participating and receiving services with the San Antonio Council on Alcohol and Drug Awareness. She's been associated with that program since April 24th, 2024, and her recovery coach writes that Ms. Jennifer is doing very well on this program. So it does seem that as early as earlier this year, she's been doing very well, doing her best to get her hands around the substance abuse issue. And we anticipate good things from Ms. Weber as she continues on this deferred.
Okay. So, do you have any family support in San Antonio?
I do. My dad's here with me and I have my daughter, my sister, and my brother.
Okay. And do you stay with them or are you staying at Lifetime?
No, I'm staying in a sober living dorm.
Okay. And are you employed?
I am.
And what do you do?
I work at the front desk for a hotel downtown.
Okay.
And that's a brand new job for her. She just got it.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's all. Jobs can be stressful because when you're at the hotel, sometimes people are upset that the room is not ready on time and all of that.
Yes.
But I'm sure you will handle it well. All right. Do you have any children?
I do. I have one. She's going into college in the fall.
Oh, awesome. All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to $1,000 fine. That will be probated. 4 years deferred adjudication. If you complete everything early, the court will consider releasing you early. This will run concurrent with clause number 716927. Taking consideration 723334. There's to be restitution to Teresa Darlene Shields, Shields, of $5,139.17. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs. She's to continue living in the sober living house. We'll do a TAP evaluation out of custody. Probation, if TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with outpatient treatment. Are you doing any sober meetings?
Yes, I do 5 a week.
Oh, that's good. All right. So here's the thing about sober meetings. I always require sometimes, not always, but sometimes I think I see people and I'm like, you need to do sober meetings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place you at,
And here it comes, sentencing time. The courtroom's holding its breath. Will the judge go easy, or will Jennifer's past mistakes come back to bite her? Stick around, this is the emotional core of the case.
4 sober meetings a week. If you want to do 5, you can do 5. The fact that you do more than the sober meetings that I'm requiring of you is not going to be a detriment to you, because your goal in this probation should be finding out what you need to do to maintain your sobriety. And if taking 5 a week means you maintain your sobriety, it's not going to hold you back from early termination, okay? So there's going to be 4 sober meetings weekly. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, there'll be 1 field visit just to find out which sober living place she is. And then thereafter, at probation's discretion, 120 hours of community service restitution. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Just give me 1 second. In this courtroom, communication is key to be successful. If you ever think that you're going to pick up the phone, call your probation officer and say, I'm thinking about using. And then that way probation can get you some help. If you call and there's no answer and they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court and address it with me here Monday through Friday, okay? All right, good luck to you. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
May we be excused?
Yes.
Thank
Well, once probation goes over.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All right. Who is on Alberto Hernandez? All right.
Did you catch that? The judge isn't just laying down the law, she's mentoring, pushing Jennifer toward accountability and recovery. It's rare to see this level of hands-on compassion in a courtroom. Before they wrap, this judge drops one last gem. She's literally inviting Jennifer back before she relapses. This isn't just justice, this is humanity on the bench. Would more judges like this change the system?